This 2019 Forest River Flagstaff Superlite 29 RKWS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep's 7, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, Slideout, LP detector, DVD player, skylight, microwave, TV, smoke detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Flagstaff Superlite 29 RKWS is 7,148 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.